ए! साला था एकदम मार देता सबको। भाई यार क्या कर रहे हैं लोग? You guys must be wondering where I'm going this morning. तो आज है इंडिपेंडेंस डे एंड विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल ऑफ यू। एंड अभी मुझे 2 दिन पहले बजाज वालों से कॉल आया था कि इंडिपेंडेंस डे की राइड है। आई थिंक दे हैव बिग राइड, बिग प्लान गोइंग ऑन फॉर द राइड। तो ये ग्रुप राइड होने वाली है। आई थिंक हुस्कवर्मा, KTM एंड also Triumph would be included in this ride and ये लोग फ्री मील ऑफर कर रहे हैं।
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
आई मीन ब्रेकफास्ट ऑफर कर रहे हैं। आई मीन हम उसके लिए नहीं जा रहे हैं गाइस। लाइक दिस राइड इज कम्प्लीटली फॉर द एडवेंचर, यू नो, लाइक गेटिंग टू नो मोर पीपल। आई मीन पहले तो वही सोचा था कि भाई ब्रेकफास्ट मिल रहा है तो चलो अपन भी चले जाते हैं।
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा।
बट ऐसा नहीं है, ये थोड़ा बाहर की राइड है। एक कौन सा तो कैफ़े में जाने के सोच रहे हैं ये लोग। वहाँ पे जाके देखते हैं क्या होगा अभी। बिकॉज आई डोंट इवन हैव एनी आइडिया। आई सॉ बंच ऑफ राइडर्स बैक देन नियर माई होम हु ओज अ डोमिनो एंड आई थिंक दे विल बी कमिंग टू दिस प्लेस एज वेल। बट द थिंग इज it's already, oh my god, the timing has been changed for my bike. Okay, so the thing is oh, just give me a second. Okay, I thought like maybe a guy from Bajaj just went this way and they are definitely gonna go this way only. Yeah, let's see. But the thing is, I was invited at this occasion by 7 a.m. But right now it's already like 7:15 maybe, I don't know. But मैं पास ही हूँ अब, वहाँ पे जाके अपडेट्स तो देते रहूँगा आपको। Well, I'm excited to meet few other riders who owns a different bike. Like they have told me that the big bikes are gonna be there and I'm excited for it. Oh yeah, this is the one. I think I don't know. Well, if they have asked Royal Enfields to come, but yeah, I'm surprised. That's a good bike. There is gonna be the lineup. This is another Bajaj owner. Well, I'm so excited, dude. There is Adventure 390. And also some of the Hornets. Well, this is gonna be an amazing ride, you know. I just came yesterday here, like you know कि गाड़ी से धुआं निकल रहा था। And yeah, this is Bajaj where I got my bike from. भाई ये जो है ना गाड़ी, शायद से नहीं, दिस इज़ अ एक्चुअल Pulsar 400. Well, this bike which everyone is talking about right now these days, it's a budget bike for 400cc, you know. Well, to my surprise, I'm glad I went with Domino. तो चलो देखते हैं अभी लाइनअप कैसी होती है और मैं बाद में अपडेट्स देते रहूँगा। एंड वेल दिस थिंग आई थिंक कि ये मेरे साथ ज़िंदगी भर रहने वाला है, पता नहीं क्यों। आई डोंट नो व्हाई। बट हाँ, मैंने वो जो राइड रेडी वाले भाई हैं उनको बोल के रखा है कि अगर जैसे ही नए वाले ग्लव्स आते हैं प्लीज़ लेट मी नो, because I cannot risk it buying it online and the size goes wrong. I don't want to wait for another week, you know. So I'll talk to you later, guys, while we will form a lineup. So till then, like, be with me.
Okay.
Hey guys.
रैम के लिए जस्ट बजाज का व्हीकल लगाना है, उसके बाद में अटर मोटरसाइकिल.
Okay.
Okay.
So welcome back, guys. अभी हम निकल रहे हैं for the rides. As per the instructions, I have to keep my Bajaj back of the tram, and then उसके बाद होगी the other motorcycles, जैसे कि Java, Continental, Honda African Twin. So here we go. भाई यहाँ पे सारी की सारी बाइकें आई है आज, सुपर बाइक्स जो है, एंड दीज आर ऑल्सो प्रोफेशनल ग्रुप राइडर्स. आई एम सॉरी, अभी बड़ा पाव खाया मैंने भाई, बहुत लेट कर दिया इन्होंने. मुझे लगा कि मैं लेट आया हूँ, बट टू बी ऑनेस्ट इन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा लेट कर दिया है. एंड दिस गाय ओवर हियर विद द हार्ली डेविडसन, ही इज़ ओनर ऑफ राइड रेडी, जो जिसको मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ग्लव्स ला के दो भाई. और या दिस इज़ फन. Damn, the exhaust, dude. That's one heavy engine over there. Look at that, dude. This is one hell of thing that I never imagined I would do in my life. Well, this is gonna be one of my favorite days. That's not my fake laugh, dude.
Stop it. Get some help.
Imposter. What is she doing in this club? I'm just kidding, guys. It's a good bike, by the way. Hunter 350. Bro! Hey! साला था एकदम. मार देता सबको. भंगड़ा ही ये लेती हूँ मैं जब जोर जोर से.
आप मेरे हिसाब से मुंबई नहीं आ सकते हैं.
तो मेरे को कहाँ आना है?
Bro, there's a Kawasaki Ninja. Damn, this is such a good feeling, dude. One of the best feeling that I had in many years, to be honest. This is an escape to my day-to-day life, dude. Why is my mic wobbling, dude? Why am I saying dude all over again and again? Shit, I'm overwhelmed by this experience. There is a Kawasaki Ninja as well. I think it's 300cc. This is a Ducati. One of the best bike I saw today. imagine these people are going by such great speed. भाई हिमालयन तोड़ है यार. It's actually going in the speed by 174, I think so. Can you imagine like how easy it is for that Triumph to have that such good speed at the bare minimum, or they are gonna race it. There's no way, Himalayan. By the way guys, this is like a professional ride over here, so I don't want you guys to like without any proper gear like this. I want you to go all the way in like with a great speed.
That's what she said.
So we have reached our destination. This is a MHKS food shop. They told that there is gonna be free breakfast over here, and this is my bike after a ride. It was a good experience to ride with these people. There are a lot of bikes over here. I'm gonna show you one by one. Look at this African Twin. This is my dream bike, one of my dream bikes, and this is Himalayan 450. And there are some Harley Davidson parallel twins, Scrambler, and all kind of bikes like 390 Adventure. This is a Ducati, by the way. This is a cool looking bike for the street ride. I don't know if this is a V2 or V3, but yeah, this is awesome. This was an Interceptor, by the way, 360. I thought it was a shotgun for some reason. I don't know. This guy owes say hi.
Hi.
He owes a Harley Davidson 450X, 440X. It's a cool bike. Surprisingly, it is like it's the best bike in this segment. And there is this parallel twin again, which is by Triumph, and there's a 400, a new NS 400. Pulsar new NS 400, yeah. ब्रो पड़ जाती है सही में, बताओ तो ब्लॉक करते करते.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
So भाई ये थी Hayabusa, ये है Z900, and we are done with the ride and we are going home back to Nagpur. बहुत मज़ा आया इनके साथ राइड करके.
ओके सो आई जस्ट रियलाइज दैट कि जो भी मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया उसके बाद वो सारा का सारा चले गया. लाइक मैंने रिकॉर्ड की बटन ही नहीं दबाई थी. बट या आई हैव समथिंग विच इज़ लेफ्ट व्हाइल आई रीच्ड नागपुर, and I'll start the video from there. I hope you are enjoying this, so do subscribe it and yeah, enjoy the video.
I'm trying my best to give a good content out of it. Like seriously, I mean ऐसा नहीं है कि आगे जाके ये बहुत थर्ड क्लास होने वाला है. मैं बहुत कंसिस्टेंट रहूँगा बिकॉज it's not at the point कि I have to be consistent. It's the point that I'm loving this thing to do right now. Basically like होता ये है कि मैं जब जॉब करने के बाद इतना थक जाता हूँ ना कि क्या ही बोलूँ. So after that this what keeps me going, you know. यही मेरी कॉफ़ी है जो कि राइड करने के बाद मुझे एनर्जेटिक कर देती है. It's like a caffeine to me. And at this point I don't know what I'm saying, but I guess I'm making sense. क्योंकि मैं बहुत I'm like glad कि I bought this bike and I've connected so many of my emotions with this engine, you know. part of me like always says ki go for a big ride, you know, and I'm planning to go to Mumbai in October with this bike so that I can go to Konkan and Nashik and Pune, Lonavala, every place from there itself. Not as such कि मुझे YouTube के लिए करना है या फिर ऐसा. It doesn't matter to me. At least at this point, I'm just what keeps me going is कि I just ride to ride. You know, I fell in love with it. And another thing that I learned in this ride was कि I had made few more connections in the riding community who owns big bikes like Triumph, Tiger, Ducati and many more. It has been such a great day for me to, you know, ride with them, get to know them, and end of the day it all makes sense to this point ki are you happy with this thing? And yes, I would say I am happy with this thing for what I am doing today. So I think this is the point where I end my vlog. So it was a great day for me to go on a ride with this amazing group riders who had some big bikes with them like Triumph. और भाई यार क्या कर रहे हैं लोग. So yeah, ignore them. But yeah, I'm so grateful to them who invited me to this ride, and yeah, and to you guys, you are my most special people in my world right now. Like, you are supporting me so good. Thanks for the 50 subscribers. And yeah, chalo bye. Just like I said bye to him, I'm gonna say bye to you guys. So yeah, thanks to you for subscribing to my channel, sticking up to my content. And अभी क्या बोलूँ यार. अगर कोई नया सब्सक्राइबर है तो भाई प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर लो, बहुत खुश हो जाऊँगा मैं. और हाँ, अगर आपको कभी अनसब्सक्राइब करने का मन हुआ तो आप अनसब्सक्राइब भी कर सकते हो, बट फॉर दैट टाइम you can always subscribe to my channel. Well, thanks again guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna take off right now and wish you a Independence Day once again, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.